Welcome to the Botanical Gardens of Georgetown, a hidden gem in the bustling city. These gardens are a lush oasis in the heart of the city, providing a perfect escape from the urban hustle and bustle. Offering a peaceful retreat, the gardens boast a variety of tropical plants and wildlife, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Take a leisurely stroll through the gardens and enjoy the serene atmosphere, where every path leads to a new discovery. Don't forget to visit the zoo, where you can see some of Guyana's native animals up close, adding an educational twist to your visit. Whether you're a nature lover, a photography enthusiast, or just looking for a relaxing escape, the Botanical Gardens are a must-visit destination in Georgetown. If you love adventure but hate high prices, then Georgetown, Guyana is your next travel destination. This hidden gem in South America offers an array of experiences that won't break the bank. Picture this: charming streets lined with colonial architecture, vibrant markets brimming with local flavors, and serene rivers waiting to take you on a journey. Welcome to Georgetown, Guyana. The city is a blend of history and culture, with its colonial buildings standing as a testament to its rich past. Walking through these streets feels like stepping back in time. The markets here are a feast for the senses. Vibrant stalls are brimming with local flavors, from exotic fruits to handmade crafts. It's a perfect place to immerse yourself in the local culture. And when you need a break from the hustle and bustle, the serene rivers offer a peaceful escape. Imagine cruising along the Demerara River with breathtaking views all around. First stop, St. George's Cathedral. This isn't just any cathedral, it's one of the tallest wooden structures in the world. Imagine the stories those wooden beams could tell. The architecture is simply stunning, and it's a must-visit for any traveler. The interior is just as impressive, with intricate wooden details that showcase the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Next, let's dive into the hustle and bustle of Stabroek Market. Here you'll find everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts, all while soaking up the local culture. The market is a vibrant hub of activity, where you can interact with locals and experience the true essence of Georgetown. And the best part? Your wallet will thank you too. The prices here are incredibly budget-friendly, making it easy to enjoy without overspending. Need a break from the city? Hop on a boat and cruise along the Demerara River. The views are simply breathtaking, offering a serene escape from the urban rush. The river cruises are a highlight of any trip to Georgetown, providing a unique perspective of the city and its natural beauty. And let's talk about accommodations. Georgetown offers a range of budget-friendly options, from cozy guest houses to affordable hotels, so you can rest easy and still have plenty left for adventures. The accommodations are comfortable and welcoming, ensuring a pleasant stay. Ready to make some unforgettable memories without spending a fortune? Georgetown, Guyana is calling your name. Pack your bags and get ready to explore. Adventure, culture, and affordability. It's all here waiting for you. So why wait? Discover the budget-friendly adventures of Georgetown, Guyana today. Whether you're a solo traveler or with friends, Georgetown offers something for everyone. From its rich history to its vibrant markets and serene rivers, this city is a treasure trove of experiences. So, what are you waiting for? Georgetown, Guyana is ready to welcome you with open arms and unforgettable adventures. Discover the charm, the culture, and the affordability of Georgetown, Guyana today.